heavy. Okay. Enjoy watching. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a shopping haul online in Amazon. So I got here my amigos and amigas, and I'm gonna show you what are the items that I bought online. It's only 3 items my amigos and amigas, but it's kind of big. The other one is big. So this one, so let's hold it and open it. Well, you can say my amigos and amigas, it's unboxing. So watch out for this whole video, my amigos and amigas. Amigos and amigas, let's start opening the items that I bought in Amazon. The first package is, this is the logo of the Amazon. It's a check, by the way. This one is cost only $6. So let's open it. Oh, no need to use the scissor. It's just here. Open it. Okay, so let's start. I'm just going to show you, my amigos and amigas, because it's my first time shopping in Amazon. They said it's a good one to shop in Amazon. First one is this one. It's a alcohol prep wipes. Of course, it's for at home only. Of course, you will not know what will happen if you will get a cut or wound here at home. So I buy it, of course. So this one, this cost is $6 for 200 pieces. So alcohol prep pads. This one, $6 in Amazon. Okay, small only. Wait. This one. So it's like in an emergency room or in a hospital setting. You just wipe it, open it. Okay. So $6 in one box. 200 pieces. Clever Health. Okay. So let's get started. The big one, of course, it's so heavy. Okay, so let's unbox it, my amigos and amigas, and I'll tell you the price of it. I think it cost me in Singapore dollar is 138 because it's automatically convert already. My ATM card is UOB, by the way, so I use it and spend of it. Heavy. I cannot show you my amigos and amigas. Wait. Oh, here. I got chisel, by the way. No cutter, so I just using a small scissor, okay? Wait, my amigos and amigas. So the first one, of course, is for my health, because as you know already, my amigos and amigas, I'm gaining weight. I need to do this, or I need to use this to be able to back in shape, of course. So are you ready? What's the first one that I bought in Amazon? Of course, this one, waist trimming disc figure. Okay, so this one costs $40 US. So no need for me to tell in Singapore dollar. That's I remember. I mean, checking here, it's $40 US. It's an ab. It's an ab trimmer. Means it can smooth your waist, flat your abs, as long as you know the exercise. I see the review in the YouTube of this one, and it said it's good, and also it is easy to use, by the way. And just 10 minutes you can sweat a little. So I need this one, my amigos, because I need to be back in shape as before. Okay, so I'm gaining weight here. Thanks to my friend, by the way. Shout out to you, bestie Zelda. Okay. So this one. Let's open it. If it's broken or not inside. So it's like unboxing. Oh, okay. So this one is a kind of XL because I can't. Is it XL? Ah, yeah, because it says here XL, so it's kind of large. Alright, so I will just trim and work out every morning, additional to my yoga mat that I'm using. This one is additional, okay? So this is the first item I buy in Amazon, okay? So I will use it every morning, just 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour. At least you will sweat at the end of the day, okay? Here it just said the name is Figure Trimmer. Okay, so the other one is, it's for my future, of course. I want to pursue being my nurse here, so I buy this one. NCLEX RN examination Q&A because I already have a book here, so this one is need to practice answering a question. Okay, I need this to continue and also to have a license as a nurse here. So this NCLEX RN examination costs a $51 or $52 US dollars, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. So I will read it and answer some questions to pass it, the NCLEX exam here. Okay, so that's the 3 items I bought here: the NCLEX RN book, this one, the alcohol prep wipes, and also the ab trimmer fitness exercise. So this one. So my amigos and amigas, thank you for watching this video. I'm showing to you my online shopping in Amazon. So overall it cost me $93 or $94, and the delivery, the package, I can say it's really good because they put something like this, like a cushion, so it will not damage, and they pack correctly. So these are the items that I bought online in Amazon, my amigos and amigas. The figure trimmer, this one, and the alcohol prep pads, and also my NCLEX RN examination books. So I enjoy shopping in Amazon, and also the one that I bought is useful for myself and for at home too, together with my babe, of course. So my amigos and amigas, thank you for watching this video, sharing with you my online haul in Amazon. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me. I'm excited to use this to be more sexy. Bye bye.